Alright guys, I got a Olight Pl-2 Valkyrie in today for my FN45 tack. So I'm gonna do the unboxing. Just see what all comes in it. Okay. So there's the Pl-2 Valkyrie. It's got a little QD mount there, and I believe they said, yeah, this one comes with the Glock spacer for the tack rail, but as you can see in here, it has one for just your standard rail, and then it comes with the tool to change it and the instructions. So to open it, it's just a little pull open tab right here. You just do that and it comes right open, and they even include batteries in it. So, and that tab's supposed to stay open, but so when you want to close it, you just put it back down and put that back on. And it's ambidextrous. It's got a button on either side. And to turn it on, you just click it, and then for strobe on this one, you just, yeah, there you go. You click both buttons at the same time for strobe, and then to turn it off, you just click one. So that's 1200 lumens there. Right there you can see the R50 Pro Seeker. And then so anyway, that's I mean, not really much to unbox there, but a great product. It feels heavy duty, and after several reviews on this, I decided to buy one. It just seems more compact for putting on a pistol than Streamlight or some of these other brands out there. I mean, it weighs next to nothing, but yeah, I'll put it on the gun, and then once I use it a little bit, I'll do a full review on it. So stay tuned.